I'm NUNO ROMANA. I work for Chanelle Pharma. It's an Irish company, even though I'm Portuguese and I work from Portugal. I believe it's my third time here at Pharma. I missed last year, but fortunately I was able to come back this year as well. They were all different, I might say. Okay, every time you come for a first time on this type of events, you kind of need to get to know everybody and all the companies. But definitely now I'm way more acquainted with everybody, so it was amazing, and it was very nice to see how Pharma grew these last couple of years. Even though I missed last year, I see very well the difference between the first year I came, 3 years or 4 years ago, and then today. It's way smoother. Everything is going. It's just natural. Things keep getting happening and going very naturally. I was kind of a late joiner this year, so I was a bit nervous to see if I could really meet everybody I wanted. Fortunately, I was able. Even having this lounge here or having space to meet other people that we saw in last years, even though we don't have a meeting, works very well. It's a very well organized process, and again, goes naturally. People just meet, greet, say hi. If we have something to discuss, we discuss. If we don't, we just greet and go our merry way. So far 20 meetings. This year I laid back a bit. The other years I had like 30s, but it's too much. I find it too much, so I try to lay back a bit and just have 20s. And again, meet people here and there, late night after the event as well. It works very well. The objective is always to create leads. Let's be honest, we come here to connect and generate new business. So I'm very happy because I managed to have a couple of leads getting out of here that I'm fairly confident we will be able to turn it to new business, new partnerships. Even though we know many of the companies for long years, we never know when you are able to close a deal. So I'm fairly confident that this year will be the year where we'll close more deals. But to be fair, not last year, but 2 years ago, it was like the setting point to the new partnerships we now have in Mexico. So it came directly from many of the contacts we've done here. We consolidate everything, just organize who I met, who I wanted to speak and I wasn't able to, so probably we'll try to reach out either way, not present now, but virtually. And just follow up on every single lead. Understand, okay, this works, this might not work. Should I follow this? Should I follow that? This product will work here, or should I drop it? So it's really just summarizing everything we've done here. I've talked with our partners and follow through with those leads that I think will turn out to be very good in new contracts. Again, a prime example for us, we were able to close new partnerships here through this event. So the impact is quite positive because it brings companies not only from Latin America but from other places like us, from Ireland, to find and to expand here in Latin America. So it creates the bridge and facilitates the communication between both parts of the world and both companies. So definitely it's very positive, and it helps a lot, helps really a lot. Because instead of coming here only to meet companies from Mexico, I'm able to meet companies from all Latin America. Otherwise I would need to travel to Mexico, Colombia, wherever it may be. So it saves a lot of time as well. I think the fact that we are able to connect before the event, so the Lucha Libre event or going to the museum with everybody, I was able to connect and actually create friends here through those events prior. It helps a lot, and it's very particular here. It's very funny. It's a way to network in a casual way, let's say. And then we come here and do business. First fun, and then we come here. So it sets the moods for the rest of the event, I think. Oh, definitely, no. The staff is always amazing. That's something I cannot really stress enough. They're always amazing, always ready to help us in any way we need. So, 5-star note, really. it's going very well. I'm expecting to see what will come next in the next years, what will be new or not. If anything, just create more events for us to go before it. As a first timer, just meet as many people as possible. Even if sometimes it's a company that might not fit very well the profile we are looking for, I find that Latin American companies are very flexible and adapt very well. And in one contact that we may do today, in the next year, the expansion that that company might have suffered will fit your profile. So first timers, it's always just meet and greet, go to all the events, the late night on the first, this year it will be the casino as well today. Just go, meet people, and for sure it will turn out to come up as something else in the future. If anything, you get more to know more people.